Hi, this is Swaminathan, Managing Director of Woodpecker Furniture. This is built for everyday living from the world of woodpecker. When it comes to furniture, the product which sells the most is your living room furniture. When I say living room furniture, sofa is the couch, is the hero. That's where the life of your house is. Even in terms of commercial angle, for us, 50% of our sales comes from the living room furniture. Now, why a living room furniture is so important, especially the couch? There are many reasons. Number one reason, that's the place where you spend a lot of time together with your family. So that's where you create memories. There are going to be a lot of memories created, whether you're watching a match together, whether you're celebrating a birthday or you're having guests coming down. There could be so many occasions and so many reasons to spend on the couch. So your life is created there. It's not the life of the house, it is your life. Your memories are created. Even after you leave the house and come back, you still remember the nice green sofa that you sat on, the time you spent with your parents, with your brothers and sisters, and with your friends. So sofa is the life of the house. Now, not only it's the life of the house, when your guests come in, the first thing they observe is the kind of sofa you have in the house. The moment they see the sofa, they judge not only your house, but judge your own lifestyle, your earning, your taste. So sofa becomes the cynosure, the center of attraction for your house. Everybody is going to judge you based on the sofa. Now, having said that, is that the only thing about sofa? No. Sofa is also important because the comfort matters a lot. If the sofa is not comfortable, people are not going to spend a lot of time there. So it has to be comfortable. Now, comfort is something very, very relative. Some people may like hard, some people may like soft, some people like medium, but that doesn't matter. But even then, the ergonomics of the sofa is very important. So it has to give the right posture, the right kind of support. So what I always say is, when you buy a sofa, you have to look at the 3 F's. One is the features, which is basically the kind of features that the sofa is offering. Second is the frame, because you're buying a sofa is not for lasting a few years, but you want it to last a few decades. So the frame is the important thing. The next one is the foam, because the density of the foam that is used matters. Because if the foam is of a not good density, then the life is not going to last. It's not going to last long enough. And the most important thing is the other F, is the fabric. The kind of fabric which is used, the texture, the life, the brilliance, the color, everything matters. So these 3 F's are very important. Feature is the big F, what features is offering. But apart from the 3 features, we are talking about the 3 features that we are talking about all the time is frame, foam, fabric. These 3 things are important. So design comes in, and based on that, your life of the sofa and the ergonomics and the way it looks, everything is brought in. So sofa becomes the hero of the, not in the house, but even for the people who are selling it. And having said that, we can't undervalue the life of it. The durability is important, because nobody buys a sofa and wants to sell off or have headaches after a year or so. So durability is also important. So when it comes to selecting a sofa, all are important. The design, the durability, and of course, the comfort, the ergonomics of it. Because that's where your life is spent. You spend a lot of your time there with your family, that's where the place where memories are created, experiences are done. So personally, I would say that if you're looking for a sofa, definitely focus on the design, the durability, because that's what is going to, and of course the price is also important, but durability and design are very important. The comfort is going to be very important, and that's the place you're going to spend a lot of time with your family and friends. That's why you're going to create so much of memories. It's going to be lifelong memories. So ensure that sofa you're buying is a good quality sofa wherein not only your memories live long, also your sofa lives long.